saying, yes, Aaron Rodgers got what he wanted, but that's what's creating the pressure because inevitably it's causing a rift between not only what's going on with the Packers, but all of the fan base. And while Tom Brady and Dak Prescott, to me, have a different kind of pressure. Dak Prescott because of the team he plays for. Tom Brady because he walked away and came back, and how can he finish on top? Aaron Rodgers is for the entire Packers organization. They need to win this year. It's win or we're going to continue to be disgruntled. All this drama for what? And you want to call me biased? That's fine. You can call me biased. Well, I don't care. I think Aaron Rodgers, and I appreciate his greatness when he's been great, hasn't amounted to anything since early in his career.
The Last Dance, Sam, we all know how The Last Dance ended. What are you talking about? This is The Last Dance. You know what? Those guys got paid and they won a chip. That's how The Last Dance ended. Yeah. What are we talking about?
All three of these dudes need to find a way to win a championship, and it's for different reasons. Yeah. But to me, the most pressure for sure resides in Green Bay.
Yeah, and are you actually saying you don't think Aaron's going to win again, Sam?
Well, not even that. What I'm saying is, like, what do you want him to do? Right? He's got back-to-back MVPs. Only 5 other people in the history of the NFL. He's the 5th person to do that. 5 MVPs. The reason they lost, yeah, you might say it wasn't a great offensive output against San Fran, but there was a punt that was blocked. Their special teams coordinator got fired. It's a new special teams coordinator that's in Green Bay right now. Even before this season, a lot of the conversation, though I don't believe this is true, a lot of the conversation was, man, they should have kept the ball in Aaron Rodgers' hands, right? It seems like it's always someone else's fault. That's what the storyline has been, right? He has 3 more years on his contract. And so, yes, he has an opportunity to change that storyline, but I don't believe, at least in comparison to like what Tom Brady, what he's done and what he's trying to achieve, and even Dak Prescott and being America's team, I don't believe that Aaron Rodgers has that much pressure. He's got back-to-back MVPs. He's like, I've done my job. Y'all traded our best receiver, so y'all figure it out. Y'all, as the Packers organization, y'all are the ones that are making us look bad. I'm winning.
Yeah, but they couldn't afford that receiver because of Rodgers.
Yeah, I think we're all in agreement here, but I think we don't have the time to keep going on and on about Rodgers. So I think we have to, we obviously have to take a break.
I'll just say really quickly, only one of them doesn't have a championship. Only one of those guys hasn't won a Super Bowl, and that's Dak Prescott in that conversation.
Yeah.
That's a differentiator that applies.
He's also the youngest.
But that applies pressure as well. They've never done it.
And Tom Brady's the oldest.
Thanks for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming, sports, and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.